Alright guys, so it's super cold out here, but I've got the engine for the buggy, so let's go and take a look at it. Alright, so here it is. It's under the tarp here. Let's pull the tarp off and take a look. So here we have a wrecked Kawasaki ZX6R, 636cc fuel injected, 2005 model. And sitting inside there is our good engine. We'll probably use the tank as well. Maybe we can simplify it, get rid of some of this plastic stuff, make it a little smaller. I do have the cluster and all that stuff. The battery is dead, but let's see if we can get it fired up, see what it sounds like. Alright, I've got it all hooked up now. I've got the positive against a piece of wood here so it wouldn't touch the gas tank. So with any luck I should be able to turn this on. Hopefully it doesn't need a battery in here. Some of them need a battery just to complete the circuit before it'll actually recognize that it should jump start. Some of them are weird. I don't think this one is that way. So with any luck I should be able to turn the key on and the gauges should turn on. So I'll turn this on here. Now let's see if I can, there we go. I'm saying fuel low, and it's in neutral. We'll check real quick the oil sight glass here, and it is half full, so we are good. Alright, hopefully nothing goes wrong here. Let's see if it'll start. Okay, I didn't hear the fuel pump at all. Let's take a look here at the connection here. Let's try it again. There we go, now I hear it. There, and it's running. See if I can give it a little bit of gas here. Sounds pretty good.